I was talking about midway through that sentence, and it wasn't even that long. Today I'm going to be baking banana bars with brown butter frosting. And brown butter is like, this recipe showed me it's such a simple, easy way to like elevate things you bake, which is so awesome. So anyways, this recipe is from Mel's Kitchen Cafe, one of my favorite food blogger people, I guess. She's like a mom with like 4 kids and like a pig and stuff. Like, she's awesome. So I bake a lot of her stuff. The recipe will be in the down bar. So yeah, let's get started. I'm supposed to say I smoked some Purple Dragon before this 2 times today, so I am very fried, hence why I'm wearing these glasses, which I will probably take off. Weed places, sponsor me. So here are the ingredients I need for these banana bars. So 4 tablespoons of butter, softened or even melted and cooled, 1/4 cup lightly packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, which I will get out of the cupboard, 1/2 cup sour cream, but I'm going to substitute that with 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 2/3 to 1 cup of bananas ripe and mashed, about 2 large bananas, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, which I will also get from up there, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Man, I love peach Snapple. Peach Snapple! So this is the butter, brown and granulated sugar, sour cream, egg, and vanilla, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up. Okay, so now that that's mixed up, let's go for the next step. Okay, so now I have 2 ripe bananas in here, and I'm just going to mash away. So I've just mixed in the mashed banana into the butter mixture, and I'm just going to mix this up. Okay, so here we got 1 cup of flour, 1/2 a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm just going to add all those ingredients. We will not be having any mishaps like last time today, guys. I won't tolerate it. I want the best for my fans. So I promise you, this is going to be a recipe that actually turns out well. So I'm going to mix this up. Look at that beauty. Okay, and now this is ready to go inside our greased 9x13 inch pan. Okay, so now I'm going to just put this in our pan. I'm just going to spread this out. In a nice even layer. This is going to puff up a bit because of all the baking soda in this recipe. But last time I made it, I forgot baking soda, so it was much more droopy, but this time it won't be like that because I'm not going to mess up. And voila! Okay, now I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so now we have our prepared banana bars, and I'm just going to pop that in the oven. And that's going to go there for, let's say, about 17 minutes. So right now I'm just heating up 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat, and I'm going to let these melt down and we're going to brown them. Okay, so I've just browned 4 tablespoons of butter on the stove. You see that beautiful browning? It's got some frothiness, I don't know why. So I'm going to take 2 cups of powdered sugar. So that was 1 cup. Cups, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or cream. See note, and the note is telling me frosting with cream adds a bit of sweetness. I'm going to take some half and half cream because that's all I have. And let's actually whisk this up first, or try to at least. We see our nice brown butter adding a beautiful color to it. I'm going to go in with some cream. That's 1. Let's see what a difference that makes. Ooh. I'm gonna go in with some more cream. Another tablespoon. Oh, that's coming together beautifully. Awesome. Okay, so now I have my banana bars that have cooled for a couple minutes, and we have this freshly made frosting, and I'm just going to put this all over. And I'm just gonna spread that all over in a nice even layer. So this is the finished product of the banana bars with brown butter frosting. Okay, this is the finished product, banana bars with brown butter frosting.
That's really good.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.